Hey guys, this is Evan from Easy Origami, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to divide a square sheet of paper into thirds. All you need to do is prepare a sheet of paper with the same dimensions on both sides. And once you've prepared your paper, then we're going to start by folding in half diagonally. So take this bottom right corner and fold it up to the top left corner. Align the corners and the edges, then make your crease, and then unfold. Then we're going to align this bottom edge with the diagonal crease that we just made. So we're going to do that by lifting up the bottom edge. Then we want to start at this bottom left corner and work our way up and over to the right until this entire colored edge is aligned with that crease. Just like this. Then you can make your crease, and then you can unfold. Then we're going to rotate the paper so that the two creases we just made now extend from this top right corner. And now we're going to align this right edge with this crease that we just made. So we're going to do that by pulling this right edge over to the left. Then we want to start at the top right corner and work our way down until the entire colored edge is aligned with that crease. Just like this. And once everything is aligned, then you can make your crease. And then you can unfold. And now I want you to notice this point here where the crease that we just made intersects with this bottom edge. And what we want to do is make a vertical crease extending upwards from that point. So we're going to do that by taking this left edge and we're going to carefully pull it over to the right like this. And you slowly want to pull it over to the right until you notice that small crease intersecting with the bottom edge here. Once you've reached that point, then you also want to make sure that the horizontal edges on the top and the bottom of the model are aligned as well. Then you can make your crease, and then you can unfold. And then we're going to fold over the right side of the paper and align it with the vertical crease that we just made. So we're going to do that by pulling over this right edge, and we're going to align it with that vertical crease. Once the entire edge is aligned, then you can make your crease, and then you can unfold. And now you've divided your square into thirds. And if you'd like to divide a square into thirds without all of these additional creases, then that's pretty easy to do too. So what we're going to do is use this square as a folding tool, and you'll just need to prepare another square of the exact same size. So from here we're just going to fold over the left side of the model along this leftmost vertical crease. So we're just going to fold the left edge over to the right, just like this. Then from here we're going to take another square of the same exact size, and we basically want to slide it in between the two layers of the folding tool by pushing it over to the left as far as it'll go. And once the left side of the square aligns with the left edge of the folding tool, then your model should look like this. Then what we want to do is take the right edge on the second square and align it with this vertical edge on the folding tool. So we're just going to fold it over like this until both edges are aligned. Then you can make your crease. Then you can slide your square outside of the folding tool and you can put the folding tool aside. Then we're going to unfold this flap that we just folded in. And then we want to align the left edge with the vertical crease that we just made. So we're going to do that by pulling this left edge over to the right. And once the edge is completely aligned with that vertical crease, then you can make your crease. Then you can unfold that. And now you've divided your square into thirds without any additional creases. I hope you've enjoyed this video tutorial on how to divide a square sheet of paper into thirds. There are plenty of origami designs that start off this way, so feel free to check out my video tutorials for those designs here. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up or leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think. And of course, subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.